Hello, my name is Andrew Boxall. I'm the founder and managing director of WeChange.AI. You can find loads of details about us on our website, more about me and the team on the people section, and you can find out about our framework for change here. Effectively, we assess, understand, and enable organizations to transform and use technology more effectively. I'm here today to talk to you about the new release of our Power BI reports that form a key part of our change framework. Effectively, this is the main Power BI report used by leadership, IT teams, change teams. For those that haven't seen it before, you can slice and dice this by a number of slices across the top. We have AI summaries throughout explaining the open text questions. I want to focus today on the changes. So we've cleaned up some of the time spent savings. So here I might go to the efficiency calculation, click on children's services, and it's showing me how they're spending time. The key changes that have come in this version has been benchmarking. We've been working on this for a while. So it's taken all the data from the existing assessments and gives you an indication of how much time you're spending compared to the benchmark of the public sector organizations we've assessed. And I could choose a different department and it's going to update it and show us this. Same for benchmarking of applications. Let's see how you're using them compared to others. It's not a right or wrong. It's a how can we help? Is there something more we could be doing? We've also gone big on accessibility, 3 pages on accessibility. It's an area close to my heart for those that haven't met me before. Neurodiversity is really, really important alongside all the other accessibility requirements, and this gives you clear visibility. The other pages are all still on there. You can get tons of detail about your culture, the structure of your organization, learning styles, and more. On the learning and recommendations module, we've made quite a few changes again. We've added some more applications in. We've cleaned up the way that it looks in terms of things like change agents, so you can see the assigned roles for your team more effectively. We've added accessibility again into this so that if you're leading a change, you can see the areas that you might want to support people with, and loads and loads and loads of accessibility links so that people can give the support and help their team in the way that's most effective to them. The other big change that we've made to the learning and recommendations module is this. It looks small, but it is mighty. We can choose the intermediate resources or introductory resources. So regardless of where people are on their journey with tech, you're going to get a load of recommendations that will help them to get to where they could be, where they'd like to be using the technology that you've got.